Well, 60 kids in the hospital is pretty close to the state's record, which was 70 back in April 20th. But the concern isn't just about kids battling COVID, it's about the complications that can come with the virus.
It has impacted our schools, it has impacted our sports for our kids, and we obviously want to do everything we can to protect our kids.
That includes meeting parents where they're at when it comes to vaccinating their 5 to 11-year-olds. A lot of them have questions, which is why the state health department gathered a panel of doctors to give them answers.
We've seen more patients in the hospital with COVID, kids specifically.
Dr. Elizabeth Lloyd says 6 kids are being treated for COVID at Mott Children's Hospital in Ann Arbor. She's also seen a lot of young patients come in with multi-system inflammatory syndrome, or MIS-C, a complication of COVID.
We've also seen kids coming in with multiple viruses. This doesn't mean that the vaccines aren't working.
According to the CDC, 94 kids ages 5 to 11 have died since the start of the pandemic. Severe illness and death is not common in kids, but it can happen. And the vaccine is our best line of defense, according to Lloyd.
Although that doesn't sound like a high number compared to, what we've been seeing in adults, 94 deaths in the 5 to 11-year age group really ends up making COVID a top 10 cause of death in that specific age group.
Michigan State University public health advocate Veronica McNally echoing Lloyd's concerns and calling on parents to take advantage of a life-saving tool.
This vaccine is safe and effective, and this is now a vaccine-preventable disease. If you have questions, get answers, because this disease, unfortunately, is here to stay.
Well, when we talk about a perfect storm, kids being in school, they're in person, and they're not getting vaccinated, and holidays are coming up, those are all things that are really, really concerning to experts. So they're asking people to take that leap of faith and get vaccinated. If you need more information, we have all you need to know at WXYZ.com. Live in Southfield this morning, I'm Alex Bozargian, 7 Action News.